Dr. Art!
What's happening?
What are you doing here?
Oh, I come bearing gifts.
Ooh,
Look
what do you got?
we got. We got a very fancy throw-up bearing for the dragster. It's finally here. Look at this. Look at how nice. This is not like...
That is the mother of all throw-up bearings.
Yes. And it was, according to Jeff, fairly expensive. But you can see it's very nice quality.
It has to be expensive for the dragster.
Right. It's either expense or death.
Yes.
But, what do you got going on here?
Where? Oh, the flat tire?
The flat tire that everyone's mentioned that you...
People have been talking about that flat tire a lot lately, I noticed.
Yes, it's a hot topic.
It is, and look how flat it is. It's very flat.
All the way on the bottom, it's 100% flat.
Dude, it's a classic flat tire is what I'm saying.
Why is it still flat?
Oh, you know, I'll tell you, here's the problem, all right? I have this compressor, and I've got this air hose with an air chuck, and I guess I could drag it over there and air up the tire, but Dr. Art.
That would not be life-fulfilling at all.
No, it's besides the point. I can't make content out of that.
Ah.
I'm a YouTuber. There's no point in doing anything unless you can make content from it, and damn it, that's just not gonna cut it.
So what are we gonna do?
Your guess is as good as mine. I'm lost, bro.
All right, how about this? We go and we buy one of them cheap portable little air compressors.
Okay.
And we review it. We do a cheap tool review for the people.
Okay. Well,
and if it... Oh.
And we buy everything we ever review. Nobody ever gives us this stuff so that we can be fair and impartial when we...
Right.
Yeah.
100% impartial judgment. And then, but if we don't like it, we can shoot it.
I like that. Yeah. People like shooting things.
Yes. So it either behaves well or it faces instant death.
All right. Well, now I'll tell you what. You wait here, and I'll go out into the world and secure us a compressor, a portable air compressor, which is something really everybody needs. You know.
Regardless, you should have one.
Of course, you hit the road, you're going on wherever you're going, and a portable air compressor is.
Yeah.
And it makes so much better content than
dragging
the air hose over there. Yeah. You wait here, and I'll go shopping.
All right, I'll take care of this throw-up bearing.
Okay, you work on the throw-up bearing. All right, I'll be back.
Okay.
All right. Where am I going for this thing? I gotta fix that windshield. Dr. Hart!
Tony! You got one!
So let me tell you what happened, okay?
Okay.
I said, I'm gonna go to the World Emporium of Cheap Tools, Harbor Freight. But there was too many cars in the parking lot. I was like, no, I'm not gonna wait on a Harbor Freight line. It's not gonna happen. So I went to Northern Tool, which is like right down the street, and always completely empty. So then I went to the air compressor aisle, or the aisle where they kept the air compressors, and there were a few choices. So there was this little one for like $18, but I had one like that. And it used to vibrate around so nutty, and then the air gauge popped off one day, and I just kind of yeeted it into the woods. So I looked, I says, the next one up. But then wait, I says, no, this is content. This is YouTube content. And so if I make money off the video, I might as well just buy the best one that they have, as far as I can. So I bought this Klutch digital tire inflator.
Digital?
Klutch with a K.
Klutch.
Yeah, it could be pronounced Klutch. I like to think it's Klutch. But either way, it's a confident, inspiring name. Confidence with a K. Yeah?
Yeah.
So let's test this thing out. And if it works halfway efficiently, then
it'll live.
We'll keep it. And if not, we'll take it out back and shoot it.
Nice.
Okay, what do you want to shoot it with?
Well, we got many things to shoot it with.
All right, let's crack this thing open. Let's see what's in the box.
All right.
All right. Instructions. These ought to be entertaining. I wonder where this thing is made.
Take a guess.
Oh, it's Oh, made in China. Oh,
Shocking.
what are the odds? What are the odds? Should we read this? Yeah.
No, after. It's in Chinese anyway.
I'll bet you there's some interesting tidbits in there. That's nice.
The battery adapter?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay. Oh, cute little air hose. Flexible.
Nice.
Very nice. I wasn't expecting that much flex out of it. Oh, here's what I paid for this thing. It was $87.97.
Holy Christmas. That's,
Dude, it's YouTube. We make big bucks off of this, so that's nothing.
okay, all right.
Okay, but that's with Tennessee sales tax, which is like 10%. So, oh yeah, 780. Yeah, so this would have been like $80 if you don't pay tax. And oh, look at that,
Is it everything you hoped for?
dude! I'm excited by this. Okay, this is premium.
It is.
This is absolutely premium. This is nice. All right. There's more in the bag. Oh, yes.
A carry bag.
It comes with its own carry case.
Nice. You can take it on airplanes.
Dude, this really is nice. Okay. This is impressive. Velcro. So you can redo it instead of one of those,
Rubber band things that
Rubber-
break. Yeah.
Very nice. Look at this. This clips in here for storage.
Nice.
Oh, dude, this is freaking epic. And of course, that's convenient because these power ports never work.
And they don't exist, or they pop the fuse, or
So
yeah.
Boom, you can plug this clip this right to the battery. All right, so
Let's fire it up.
we gotta hook up the hose here first. And here's something interesting.
Yes. It's got.
Oh, I see. It's got a. Oh, that's sweet.
Oh, it comes with a Schrader.
Yeah, very nice.
Oh,
I like
nice.
that. Where does this go?
Mm.
I should read the instructions, right?
Well, does it go on the end of there?
Okay, here's this. Oh, all right.
So you don't even need the flexi.
This is actually pretty nice. This has got a lot of stuff in it for like $80. That's not bad.
Yeah, you could do it that way or just by itself. Yeah.
Okay. That doesn't quite. Let's fire this bad boy up. All right. Okay. Put that on there. Hope this battery's good. We should check these things before we try to make videos, yeah?
Yeah, maybe.
Negative. Positive. Okay. And on-off switch.
On the top there.
Right there. No action. No action, that's okay.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
It's on?
Yeah, it's on.
All right, so I guess I could have read the instructions where it would tell you how to do this, but I'm going to figure this out on my own because, all right, I'm going to hit the plus button. Yeah, come closer. Let's see how this works. 35. All right, 40 pounds. We want to inflate it to 40 pounds. Now what do we do? It's not dancing around like the cheaper one would. It's actually sitting there pretty nice. No action yet. coming. I know it. It's going.
It's working.
It is working.
You notice it's got a nice little light on it too? Got a light on the end.
Light on the end. Oh, geez, look at that. So we can actually watch the progress on the tire.
Yeah.
Look at that bad boy go. I do believe we have found content here, Dr. Art.
Yes. As the viewers watch the tire inflate.
We could probably fast forward through this. And it's like a boop. All right, that's not bad. I mean, it's at 8 pounds right now. Very nice. I gotta be honest with you. I kind of wanted to shoot it.
Oh yeah.
I think that would have gotten more views.
Can we go shoot something else?
Yeah, I can think of a couple of things I want to shoot.
All right, we'll do that after this.
All right. All right, so that's it. The Klutch with a K, portable tire inflator.
Why don't you pause it so they can hear you?
What's that?
Pause it.
Oh, okay. The Klutch portable tire. You're like a director.
Yeah.
Yeah, shut it. The Klutch portable tire inflator, actually inflating a tire. Who would have thought? I wasn't really expecting that much success in such a short period of time, but bam, right out of the box to inflate a tire in what, 3 minutes?
Yeah.
But yes.
It works as advertised.
Yeah, and the didn't even really need instructions if you have a basic grasp of mechanical things. So there you go. We bought it with our own money, and now we're not going to take it out in the back and shoot it. So a success. You want to add anything to that, Dr. Art?
No.
Let's finish watching this tire fill up.
All right.